At Roush, we're all about performance, and to work side by side with great Ford minds to create incredible new products year in and year out is really great.
And that gives us the opportunity to build great products like the new Supercharger. I mean, who else can put out there a product that's backed by the OEM warranty-wise, putting out 700 horsepower, and taking Mustang performance to the next level. Where else can you partner with a legendary racer like Jack Roush and leverage all that he's learned throughout the years and then put it, into everyday cars that people drive? Ford Performance is all about performance, and so there's no better person than Jack Roush.